What is good, people? Welcome back to the channel. I am your host, as you know, Big Dre. Now look, this video is one of those car journeys, but for some reason you don't seem to like these little car journeys that man does. So I thought, you know what, man's on the way to the gym, I might as well do a quick boss token update before I get into this video. As you know, nothing I say is financial advice. This is all just me documenting my journey. Now, a lot of things have been happening in crypto. So, BTC, as we've seen, the price is going up. And that's literally just because of a lot of announcements of places accepting Bitcoin in terms of, purchase. So the purchasing power of Bitcoin is going up. And also we've had the announcement of someone called Rishi Sunak. He's the, what is his actual role? He's a financial secretary. I forgot what his name is actually role was, but anyway, he works for the British government, and he's announced some plans and a lot of changes. So the threshold for national interest is going up in the UK, and also the amount that people are paying for taxes, or the amount that people need to start paying taxes, is going down. So that has actually had a good impact on the market because they feel like they have a little bit more money to spend. So there's a little bit more room to spend on Bitcoin, on crypto. Now, in terms of Boss Token, I did do a video talking about my thoughts on it, but the problem was, for some reason, I recorded the whole video, was getting through the editing, had a whole 20 minutes to edit, and then realized the bloody the audio didn't record properly. So anyway, Boss Token, do I think it's dead? Is it still worth it? Is it a scam? I don't think it's a scam. I believe it could still be worth it. Because at the moment I'm getting loads of comments that's from people telling me that Mr. Zero Waiting is just banning everyone from the Telegram who says anything negative. Not much for freedom of speech, is there? I mean, I don't really understand that one, but yeah, he's just banning everyone. I don't understand it. It's really weird. But the one thing I'll tell you guys is, look, there's a video I uploaded and I showed you an article that's on medium.com from Mr. Andre Cronje, and he is a part of, obviously, the Phantom Foundation. He's the developer. And there's a lot of things that it touches on which actually relates a lot to Boss Token. So for instance, when you're developing, there's a lot of things that come up during that process, things that might go wrong. So things don't usually go to plan, as you know, just in life. And so maybe in terms of this project, things are going against plan for Mr. Zero Waiting, but he's just whatever planet he's on, he feels like he doesn't need to communicate that. As I said, at the end of the day, we're all human. Things do go wrong. Things might not be going according to how he wants it to, and he could have a lot of things in the pipeline. But as I've said to you guys before, Boss Token, especially as crypto is actually getting a lot bigger. So I don't know if you don't know, crypto.com is actually sponsoring the World Cup. That's a big thing for crypto in general, even though crypto.com is not actually DeFi. But the fact that crypto.com is sponsoring the World Cup, remember, World Cup is the biggest sporting event in the world, not just in football. So that's a huge thing. So DeFi is going to become a lot bigger. So keep an eye on your Boss Token. I've been keeping an eye on mine. Been seeing it go up ever so slightly. That's obviously because of what's going on with Bitcoin at the moment. So don't sell your Boss Token. There's no point. As I said to you guys back in whenever it was I told you guys, but as I said, when you're putting money into crypto, you should always put it in with the intention that you are happy to lose that money. Don't think, oh, I want a 200 quid flip, so I'm going to put 2 bills and get 4 bills back. No. Put it in there As in, I could lose this £200. It might be a £200 that you would have spent on dinner, flipping your outfit, whatever it was. But it's a £200 that you're not going to get back. That's how to look at it. So leave it in there. Yeah, anything can happen. Remember, it's accumulating value, it's accumulating interest whilst it's still in your wallet. So there's really no need to sell it. But anyway, guys, I've arrived at the gym. Man's gonna go hit a workout, hit a sauna, hit a steam, bit of jacuzzi. I mean, but guys, don't sell your boss token. There's a lot of things going on. If you want me to talk about what Andre Condre said in his article a little bit more, just let me know in the comment section down below. And if you feel like Zero Wading's communication is not great, please do comment down below as well. But guys, I still genuinely believe Boss Token could be something. I still think it is going to be something. So once he releases Boss Track, even though he keeps lying to us and telling us he's going to release it, but he's not doing it, I think once he releases it, that's when we're going to see what happens, because they need to be hitting their targets, yeah, hitting their roadmap. So you can't just release Boss Track and that's it. No, it's not going to happen. It's not just going to start blowing up. You need to release Boss Track, and then you need to be making partnerships with different brands, different organizations in crypto, even outside of crypto. And from there, we can actually see an explosion in the value. And from there, anything's possible. I mean, the world's your oyster and all of that. But yeah, guys, it's been your boy Big Dre. I don't want to make this video too long, but yeah. Like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what you think in the comment section down below. Me personally, I'm not selling my boss token. I think it can be something crazy, something amazing. And if I'm gonna try and speak to him. Yeah, I'm gonna try and speak to him. He has responded to man before. He messaged me before. He hasn't responded to anyone. So if he gets back to me, I'll let you guys know. I'll give you information, as I always do, and I'll probably add to my bag. But at the moment, he's not doing enough for me to feel like he's trustworthy. That man could add some more peas into it and it's worth my time. At the moment, I feel like it's not really worth the hassle. Do you know what I mean? But as I said, guys, anything's possible. A lot of things happening with crypto right now. And remember, it's accumulated value just by you holding it. So you don't need to do anything with your boss token at the moment. Just hold it. Yeah. This video taking too long. Anyway, it's been your boy Big Dre. Remember, it's in the sauce. Just buy that dip.